Hi, Subradeep. Am I audible? Am I audible, Subradeep? Okay, great. So, Subradeep, right now only you are in the session. So, let's just wait for 5 to 6 minutes for others and then we will start the session, okay? Guys, just wait for 2 or 3 minutes more. Still, multiple people are joining, okay? Okay, everyone. So now we will start the session. So hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Python Bootcamp from zero to fluency in Python programming. So how are you guys? How is everyone doing over here? Very good evening,
Fine,
Sudha. Very
ma'am.
good evening, Supradeep. I'm
How are you feeling, ma'am?
a little better now. Thank you so much for asking, Sudha. How about others? How are you guys feeling? How are you guys? Come on, guys, give me a response. How is everyone over there? How are you all doing? Hi, Navya. Yes, yes, I am very much better now. Hi, Aishwarya. Oh, great, guys. So, everyone, in our yesterday session, what we did in our yesterday session, we started our week number 14, in which we learned about our part number 2 and part number 3. In part number 2, we learned about truncate table statement, which is not present over there in SQLite 3 library. So we did the truncate statement with the delete statement only. Then we also learned about SQL update statement in our part number 2 only. And in part number 3, what we did, we learned about primary key and foreign key in SQL. So these were the topics which we covered in our yesterday session. And now I would just like to know if there is any kind of doubts to anyone in our yesterday session. Any doubts, anyone? Very good evening, John.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay, so yesterday, uh, when you gave us that challenge, when you showed us the challenge,
Yes.
yeah, so there was when you were creating the table,
Hmm.
you did not put anything beside the price column. Like whenever we are creating a table, we are writing down a column's name, and then we give like text or string or anything like that, right? Integer. But you did not put anything there. So by default, does it take integer or what? For how does it work here?
Give me a second. If you're talking about this here, if you will see, I'm taking price as real.
No, no,
Real,
not here, not here.
then
Uh,
where?
it was above, I think.
If you're not giving anything, then you can take any kind of data type over there. You're not specifying now.
Yeah, so that is what I was asking. So
Yeah,
anything goes there.
yeah, anything can go there. But here I thought you are asking about that. So here I'm taking real, that means a real number which cannot be a null value. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone?
Oh, another thing, ma'am. So we are
Yes.
not going to use truncate here, right? Because
It is
we will be using only delete.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Anything else? Anything else you guys want to ask? Anyone over there? Any doubts? Please let me know, guys. Anyone over there? Any doubts? How about others? Aswin, Aishwarya, Sudha, Sunny, Sai, Zulekha, Navya, John. Anything, guys? If there is no doubts, at least put a no in the chat box so that I can be sure.
Ma'am, I'm still having the doubt of that last one, ma'am, foreign key and that foreign key. That is a main problem that I couldn't understand properly.
Foreign key, I have explained to you guys before as well. See, let's say this is my student table and this is my department table, okay? Because in college there are some departments as well, na? So here is roll number, which is going to be always, always, always unique. Okay, so this is the primary key of the student table. The name cannot be a primary key because names can repeat, right? And there is department ID, department ID. Department ID can also be same for multiple students. Okay. And now this table is having first of all department ID, that is 101 and 102 only. And the name of those departments is given. So in this table now department ID is the primary key because with the help of this department ID only, each row is getting identified uniquely, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Yes, ma'am.
primary key of this table is connecting this department's table with the student table because both are having department ID column in between them. So the primary key of one table becomes foreign key of another table. So what does foreign key means? It helps to connect two tables together with the help of a column. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is basically it is a part of primary key, but it is containing the whole structure of the another key, another table.
Yes, you can say like that.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank.
Most welcome. Now I hope everyone's doubts are clear. Okay, great. Okay, then guys, so let's start with the homework questions then. I'll just give you guys a solution. Here is the solution of the homework. Everything is given. Let me just share this. Okay, guys, I have sent you all the link of this notebook. Did you all receive it? Did you all received it? Great. Okay, everyone, then please go through this homework notebook and let me know once done. And if there will be any doubts, I will clear them out in the session. Now I will go on mute. You guys please go through this notebook. Bob Smith to 65,000. We have done the same question yesterday. We have done the same question yesterday.
Ma'am, that is
I
fine, but
didn't
no,
quite got that.
ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am,
Hello?
can you hear me? Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Ma'am, no. I can understand the code what
Yes,
we have
yes,
written,
I can hear
but
you
we
now. Tell
didn't put
me
that
about.
as a record, right?
Sorry,
No, ma'am.
I
That
didn't
is
got you.
like record equal. We are putting
I
that as cursor dot record, right? Like updated dot record, but we didn't give anywhere as a record, right? That's what I'm asking.
that is that is purely a variable name. You can change it also. That's
Okay.
not
I go through rest of the problems. Exactly everywhere it is used
the
as like record.
issue. Okay?
Yeah.
No issues, no issues, no issues. It is variable name.
Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, are you done? Guys, are you done? Guys, are you done? Please let me know that. Couple of minutes more. Okay, take 5 minutes more, guys.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
why we are closing every time, ma'am? Cursor dot close. So because every time like we are using the database, right? Like from the
Because
beginning, huh?
you know get some kind of error. Don't close it. I'm
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
closing because I created those questions now one by one, right? See, when we created this notebook, we were finding those questions for you guys, so we those question for you guys. So we did it in our way. If you do not want to close it, don't close it. Just close it at the end. It depends upon you how you want to treat your database. Okay, okay, Sudha.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. But we can do it without closing also, right? That's what my question is.
Yes, yes. Let's wait 2 or 3 minutes more for others, then we will start. Others also let me know done or not. I'm just going to wait for 2 minutes more, everyone, and then I'm going to start with the session. Okay? Just 2 minutes more. Okay, guys, time's up. Now we will start with the session. I hope everyone is done with the homework now. Let me just close it. And now, everyone, we will start with the part number 4, SQL joins. And let me just remind you guys again, if and only if we will not be able to complete till 10 o'clock, what we will do on Wednesday, we will just extend our session by half an hour. Is it clear, everyone? Is this thing clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Great. So the part number 4, guys, is SQL joins. Now we are going to learn about joins, which are going to be inner join, left join, right join, full join, and cross join. So what are joins in SQL, first of all? So joins we have done in pandas now, if you guys remember. We have done the joins on data frames, pandas. Guys, remember? Guys, remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So just like that, now we are going to do it in our SQL tables. So in SQL, joins are used to combine two or more tables based on a related column, usually a primary key, foreign key relationship. Now, why use join? It retrieves the related data from multiple tables in single query. It avoids the redundant data stored by keeping related data in separate tables. And it improves the database efficiency by using relational database concepts. Now, when to use? When you need data from multiple tables together, when tables have a relationship using foreign keys, and when you want to avoid the duplicate or redundant data storage. Now, if you guys remember when we were doing the joins and data frame, we had one column in common in both the data frames. At least one column was same, right? Right, guys? At least one column was same in both, right? And on that particular column only we were putting the merge function with the help of own is equals to in quotes we used to put the column name that on that particular column we are going to merge. And then we used to put how inner, outer, left or right. Remember? Remember, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So the same thing it is also saying when tables have a relationship using foreign key. Because in one table it is foreign key, in another table it is primary key. So both the tables having same column name, na? And when not to use, if all the data is in one table and then the join is unnecessary. If the query becomes too slow, consider optimizing indexes or denormalization. Or small data sets, fetching tables separately might be simpler. And now here comes some types of joins. We have inner join. It returns only matching rows between the tables when you need only related data from both the tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table plus the matching rows from the right. When you want all data from one table even if there's no match in the other. Right join returns all the rows from the right table plus the matching rows from the left table as well. It is less common. SQLite does not support it. In SQLite, we cannot use right join. Then we are having full join. It returns all the rows from both the tables. When you need all data, whether matched or not, it will return everything. And cross join, it returns every combination of rows between the two tables when you need all possible combinations. And this one is really used as well. So, guys, let's do one thing. Let's just do it everything one by one. Okay. First of all, we are having a scenario that you're managing an e-commerce system where the product table stores the product details. Orders table stores the customer's order. You want to combine the data from both tables to see order details with product names and prices. We will fetch order details using inner join to display. Order ID, product name, quantity ordered, product price, order date, everything. So now first step is create the database and tables in Python. Simple thing, database, I'll take again SQLite 3, connect with e-commerce DB and just create a connection with the cursor. Now guys, I need foreign key as well for that as it is given when tables have relationship using foreign key. How will I create a foreign key? How will I enable foreign key? Anyone? How can I enable a foreign key over there in Python?
Ma'am, so we have to put the same way we have to put as a cursor execute, and we have to put all the values in that one foreign key in bracket e-commerce. That means like we have to tell that the primary key is equal to foreign key.
No, I have to use pragma. Navya, yes, you're correct. Pragma. Supradeep, you are also correct, but pragma first, then foreign key is equals to on. Okay? Enable the foreign key first, then only you will be able to create a table using foreign key. Now we will create the tables. First of all, execute the product table. Now, what we will do, we will just create the orders table. And what we are doing, foreign keys product ID references the product ID of product table on delete cascade. I hope everyone remembers what delete cascade is. I hope everyone remembers what delete cascade is.
Yes, ma'am. We cannot use the truncate in SQL.
No, delete cascade. If one row will be deleted from the first table, it will get automatically deleted from the second table as well. That means delete cascade. Okay. Now insert the values. Insertion done. Now, guys, what is the main thing now which we are going to learn? The joins. Let's perform the joins now. First of all, we are having the inner join fetch orders with product details. Fetch the orders with the product details. So here, guys, what we are going to do. Inner join. Inner join retrieves only the matching records from both the tables. If a record exists in both tables, it will appear in the result. If a record is missing in either table, it will not be included. When to use? When you need the matching data only. Get only products that have been ordered. To relate tables together, link employees to the departments. When data exists in both the tables. Join student and their submitted assignments. And when not to use the inner join, if you want all data from one table, use join, left join instead. If one table has missing data, if you need all customers, even without, even those without orders, use left join. If performance is an issue, joining larger tables without proper indexing can slow down the queries. So, how does this inner join works? Inner join combines both tables and returns only the rows where product ID matches in both tables. Products that have no order are removed from the results. And if an order references a product ID that does not exist in product, it would not appear. It would not appear as well. Now, let me show you guys how to do it. Okay. First of all, let me just create the connection again. Connection established. Now I have to put the inner join. What I will do, I will just do cursor dot execute one, one, two, three, one, two, three. Okay. Inside that, what I am going to do, select first of all in orders and in product, which thing is common? Product ID. So first of all, I am going to take the orders table and from that I am going to fetch order ID. And then from the product table, I am going to fetch the product name. From orders table, I got order ID. From products table, I got the product name. Then again from orders table, I need quantity. Then from product table, I need price. From orders table, I need order date. That is all from the orders table. Okay, I have put only one table right now from orders. And in that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put inner join. On what? Product table. On orders dot product ID is equals to product dot product ID. And a semicolon. And it got executed. So basically, let me just explain you guys what happened. First of all, if you guys will see the table, I am having orders ID, product ID, quantity, and order date. So instead of product ID, there is order ID, quantity, and order date. So from orders table, I got order ID, quantity, and order date, all three of them. And from the product table, we had product ID, product name, category, and price. I got product name and price. If you want category, we can get category as well. Just put product dot category over there. Okay. If you do not want, you can skip that as well. Just get all the columns like that with the name of the table dot column name comma, just like that, take all of them. And at the end, what you have to put, from name of the first table, name of the second table, put the join, whatever join you want to put, name of the first table on. Just make both of the product IDs columns equal to each other and close it with a semicolon. This is how you put this query of joins. And then just check for R in cursor dot fetch all. I'm going to use a short form over there this time. Print R. If you guys will see, you will get only those things which are common in both. You are getting each and everything. You're getting order ID, you're getting product ID, everything which you are getting over here, everything. But only those which are common in both of them. Only those where product IDs are common in both of them. Okay, guys? Product IDs, product IDs. Wherever product ID is common, that thing only you are going to get over there. Like if you will see 4 is not there in this order ID column, 4 is not there, but 4 is there. And 4 is not there. If you will see here, you will not see that particular column as well. And that 4 column was having jeans in it, na? It was having jeans, clothing 30. You will not find jeans over there. You will not find jeans over there. That is inner join. Only the things which are common, that will only come at the output. Is this thing clear, everyone? Is this thing clear, everyone?
Ma'am, can you show the code, ma'am?
Sure. First of all, I just got the columns. I just got all the columns over there. Name of the table dot the column name of that particular table. I got all the columns. I just left the product ID column because on that particular column only I am going to put the join. First take all of them, then from. Second table, name of the join. First table on, just make both of the columns equal from the table. And you're done. Okay,
Sorry, ma'am,
Prabhadeep?
could not hear you properly. My internet is acting funny. Can you please repeat? Could not hear you at all.
Okay. First of all, I took all the column names from the tables. Table name dot the column name. Okay, all the column names I took. I just left product ID because on that product ID is the one which is same in both, which is common in both, and on that only I can put my joins. What I did after taking all the columns from second table, name of the join, first table, on, and make the product ID columns same in both the tables and close it
Yeah,
with
I
semicolon.
understand the last line, ma'am. My problem was on the first and second line. So you said we are going to take the table name dot the column name, right?
Yes,
So so we are taking are we taking all the columns from both the tables or what? What are you doing here?
both the tables we are taking. Both the tables we are taking. No, there is
Both the
orders
tables, right?
table, there is product table as well.
Yeah, yeah. So there is no like we just have to take all the columns from both the tables we are going to join. That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay, so after that, guys, we are going to start with left join. All orders, even if the product is missing. Now, the left join is also known as left outer join. It is used to retrieve all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, null values will be returned for the columns from the right table. When to use? Finding the missing data. Show all the products even if they have no orders. Getting a full list with partial matches. List all employees if they have no assigned projects. Keeping main data while adding extra information. Show all students even if they haven't submitted the homework. And when not to use the left join, if you only need matching data. Use inner join instead to show only rows with matches. If right table is always required. If every product must have an order, use inner join instead. If performance is an issue, left join can be slow for large data set, so use indexing columns. So for that part, what we are going to do, it is going to be same, exactly same. You guys can also check it over here. We are getting product ID, product name, product category, product price, order ID, quantity, order date. From product left join orders, because this time what I'm going to do is I want everything from my left side table, right? And left side table is product. And at the end, just make sure that you are making both of the product IDs as same. See, everything is coming from both the tables, each and everything. And the thing which is not present, this 4 is not present in my right table, that is coming as none. That only thing is coming as none over there. Please go through this code and this output and let me know if you guys are clear with this. What about others? Clear?
Ma'am, that means the left join will take all the none values also, even if it doesn't matter.
It is same like data frames. If you guys remember the pandas and data frames when we were doing, it used to happen the same now.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. So guys, right join, so we cannot perform over here, but I will just add a little theory about right join for you guys. So right join is like all orders even if the product is missing, same as the left join. So right join return all the records from the right table order. So same thing is going to happen. So what you guys can do is I will just copy it, will paste it here, make it right. Just change the order. Here put orders, here put product. And you will get your answer. Here, if you will see, you are not at all getting the fourth part because it is not the part of right table. No? Sorry, it is not the part of left table this time. And this time my left table is orders. And in orders, the fourth value is not there. The jeans row is not at all present. It's not coming. Okay. Here, how you can perform right join with the help of left join only. Tell me, guys, I'm asking something to you all. Great. Now let's talk about full join, that is full outer join, guys. Now, what is full join? It returns all the records from both the tables. If there is no matching data, it fills with null values. When you need all data from both tables, show all products and all orders, even if they don't match. What data audit? Finds missing relations between the tables. Two data sets show all employees, even if the employees have no record from project have no. Now is my voice clear? Now is my voice clear? Great. So what I was saying, when not to use the full join, if you only need the matching data. Then the inner join. If you, if you only need all data from one table, use left join. If your database does not support full join, SQLite does not support full join, but we can simulate it. So why do we use union in full join for SQLite? Because SQLite does not support full outer join natively. We set full join using two left joins and combining their result with union. So here's how we do it. Here's how we do it. First of all, we will just create the query platform over there. And inside that, first of all, you will take everything from product table, product ID, product name. If you want category, take category as well. Then come order table, order ID, quantity, order date. Now, guys, basically what you have to do, you just have to copy this part, and this part. I showed you guys left and right joiner. Just in the first one, put this. In the second part, put this, and in between both of them, just put a union.
Ma'am, sorry to
In the
interrupt you.
first product,
Hello.
yes,
Hello, ma'am.
mhm, yes,
Yeah, yeah,
tell
ma'am,
me,
your voice is breaking and
tell me.
your scrolling is also like it is lagging. Whenever you are scrolling, the screen is just freezing or yeah, can you
Give me a sec. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, guys, so am I audible now? Am I audible properly now? Guys, am I audible properly now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, so what I was saying, here in this, what you have to do, you have to put two left joins together to do a outer join, right? What you will do, I showed you guys left join, I showed you guys right join. Take the query we did for left join, copy that, put a union, and copy the part for the left join, and you are done. And you are done. This is how we create a full outer join in SQL with the help of union. You guys can go through this code and let me know if you guys have any doubts. Yes, Sudha. Yes, Sudha. Yes. What about others? Done or not? Great. So the last thing for particular part is cross join. All possible combinations. So what is cross join now? Cross join creates every possible combination of rows from the two tables. It does not check for relationships between the tables. The number of rows in the result is number of rows in table A multiply the number of rows in table B. So if there are 4 rows in A and 4 rows in B, 4 into 4, 16 will be the output. 16 rows will be the output. Okay? But why and when to use cross join? To generate all the possible combinations, generating test data for simulation, and generating the combinations for the business logic, creating the size color combination for an online store. And when not to use the cross join, if you only need matching data, use inner join instead. If data becomes too large and if a relationship exists between the tables, use join with an on condition instead. So now if a table has 10 rows and orders table also has 10 rows, so that will be 100 rows now. So how you will do it? So just select everything. Product ID, product name, order ID, quantity, order date. Whatever you want to show over there in your table, in your output, whatever column you want to show, just take all of those columns and just put from product cross join the name of the other table and just put from row and row. So if you guys will see the total answer you will get as I guess 90 because 10 rows were there in your product table and some 9 rows were there in your orders table. So 10 into 9 will be 90. 4 rows will be your answer, will be your output over there. This is your cross join. Any doubts in cross join, anyone?
Ma'am, in cross
Any
join,
doubts?
we are using the order table, right?
We are using both the tables, product orders both.
Okay.
Anyone, any doubts? Okay, great everyone. So guys, with this, our part number 4 is also completed. If you guys are having any doubts in any kind of join, please let me know that. First, I will clear them and then only I will give you guys your break.
Ma'am, can you please show the like cross join results, ma'am?
Here is the result. See, with 1, each and everything, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, with 6. then with 7, then 8. Give me a second here. See, each and everything is there, na?
Yes, ma'am. That means like it is a combination of everything, whatever it is there in that one.
Yes, yes, everything. Each and every possible combination. Everyone is clear? Any doubts, anyone?
Ma'am,
I'm
for
asking
example,
something.
ma'am,
Any doubts,
1 minute.
anyone?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
ma'am, in that output, we are having this as a database right now, right?
No, it is not a database.
Oh, it is the
It is your
like
answer only.
okay, fine. No, because what I'm asking
It
is
is
that like
not a database.
there are a lot of product ID with the same product ID. Remember, like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1.
Yeah, that is possible combinations now.
Okay.
With one product ID only, you can order multiple products. That is what it is showing.
Ma'am, then why it is not showing 109? There is one thing is missing, right? That means, yeah.
Everything, so it is showing.
No, not
See,
109 is not there. It is showing 110.
9 is there, 10 is there,
I'm
9
talking
is also there,
inside.
10 is also there.
No, ma'am. I'm talking about 101, 102, 103. That means that order ID is there, right? Product ID, name, and then the order ID is there, right? In that order ID, there is only 108, not 109. Why that value is missing?
So
That's what I'm asking.
whatever will match that thing only come, na? Whatever will match that thing only will come
So that
according
means
to these columns.
okay. That means the order table doesn't has that 109 order ID, right?
Yeah. Whatever over there will come together in both the tables, that only you will get, na?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Any other doubts, anyone? Guys, I have checked my internet connection as well. It is okay. My internet connection is okay. Guys, is my voice still breaking in between? Tell me, please. Because I can agree to that point that my voice is low because I am having very bad throat pain. But my internet connection is working fine. Okay, Subhradeep, it is breaking for you. But what about others? Sudha, Sai, Asin, can you guys please also let me know that? Is my voice breaking in between? Sudha, if you want to say something, a voice was not properly audible to me. Sometimes, okay. It's clear now. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's do one thing. You guys go on your break and I will just go and check my Wi-Fi. Okay? I'll just go and check it. Okay, guys. So it's going to be 9:30. You guys can, guys, am I audible? Am I audible, guys? So I was saying, guys, it's 9:30. You guys can go and have your break till 9:40. After 9:40, we will start with the session again, and I will make sure that my voice will not break again. Okay? I'll just go and check my Wi-Fi connection. Okay, guys, breaks over. Okay, everyone, breaks over. Is everyone there? Is everyone here? Breaks over, guys. Guys, okay. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to start part number 5. And in part number 5, we are going to learn about some SQL clauses like order by clause and group by clause. And we are having some additional topics as well, which you guys are going to do on your own. Okay. So let's start with the clauses, which we are going to learn in the session. First of all, here comes order by clause in SQL. Now, sorting is one of the most common operations in SQL. The order by clause helps in sorting the data in ascending and descending order. Let's break it down step by step. The order by clause in SQL is used to sort the records in a result based on one or more columns. Is everyone able to hear me? Is everyone over here able to hear me? Guys, am I audible? I'm having an internet connection issues.
Can't hear,
Give me.
ma'am.
Mhm. Guys, I have checked my internet connection as well. It was working fine. In that case, so guys, we can just do one thing because you guys are not able to hear me properly, and I am also trying and I have also tried my internet. It is working fine for me. It is giving me good range, but I guess there is some issues from my side only. So in that case, I can only do one thing that I can just now take the session to Wednesday. We can just do that. If you guys are okay with it, please do let me know. Then we can just start on Wednesday at part number 5. Are you guys okay with that? Okay, then guys, I'm not giving you homework today. I will just type all the thing. I will give it on Wednesday only. And I'm sending feedback form. Please fill this out. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Navya. Okay, guys, so now I'm ending the session. We'll meet you guys on Wednesday. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.